Hi friends! We are going to do a couple days of life science, little mini lessons. And so I love some time for life science, and I want you to look at this big word up top, and I'm going to break it down for you. The full word is oviparous. And see how many syllables? Oviparous. Whoa. Oviparous. That's a 4-syllable word. Let me show you a little bit. Okay, and so here's your clue. You see a little bird coming out of an egg. So the word oviparous means an animal that hatches from an egg. And here is the signal for you, okay? So I go like a bird. An animal that hatches from an egg, and there's my little bird trying to poke out of the egg. Let me do that again. Oviparous, an animal that hatches from an egg. Hello, kindergartners. I'm going to read a book now that goes along with our life science, and it is called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones, and this was written by Ruth Heller. Here we go. Chickens aren't the only ones. Chickens lay the eggs you buy. The eggs you boil or fry or dye like the color dyes, or leave alone so you can see what grew inside naturally. Chickens aren't the only ones. Every bird wild or tame does the same. The ostrich lays the largest egg. The hummingbird lays the smallest. It's a teeny little egg right there at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Chickens aren't the only ones. Many snakes lay eggs, and lizards too, and crocodiles and turtles do. And dinosaurs, who are extinct, but they were reptiles too. Frogs and toads and salamanders lay eggs, and when they hatch, they're tadpoles who grow legs and climb a lily pad just like their mom and dad. They don't have claws or scaly skins. They are called amphibians. Fish eggs float up to the surface or sink to the bottom of the ocean floor. This mother seahorse lays her eggs into the father's pouch. He keeps them there until they hatch, and then he's through. I think that's nice of him, don't you? These fathers too are helping by guarding eggs, protected by that foamy mass that's floating by, and they won't leave until they're sure that all the eggs have hatched. These don't look like eggs, and guys, these are actually eggs. They don't look like eggs to me, but they were laid in the sea. This one is by a shark. This one by a ray, like a stingray. And they call it a mermaid's purse, they say. Pretty cool. I didn't know shark eggs and stingray eggs look like that. There's a stingray. Look at all these eggs. The octopus is said to shed 100,000 eggs and then to hang them up in strings attached to rocks or caves. Moon snails' eggs are mixed with sand to form this collar-looking band. Look at all those different looking eggs. Spiders wrap their eggs in sacks. And snails, you know, are very slow, but they lay eggs that hatch and grow. And so do insects, who have 6 legs and lay many different kinds of eggs. This one will hatch into a hungry caterpillar, look at the bottom, who will grow and grow and grow and grow and then climb up a stem and change into this, a chrysalis, and change again one summer morn. That's how a butterfly is born. Animals with fur or hair who nurse their young, who don't lay eggs, are known as mammals or mammalia. But these are 2 exceptions, and they both live in Australia. So these 2 animals are like nature's rule breakers because they do have fur, but these 2 animals are the only animals in the whole world that have fur that actually lay eggs. We have a spiny anteater and a duckbill platypus. Both live in Australia. Chickens aren't the only ones. There's no more to discuss. Everyone who lays an egg is oviparous. Animals who don't lay eggs have babies born alive. And well, but that's another tale to tell. Chickens aren't the only ones, and we actually have a dog. But remember, dogs don't come from eggs, so he is not oviparous. I hope you enjoyed that story.